Hi friends, you are watching Winky's Knowledge. As we know that India has been called as the land of mysteries. The science has worked very hard to find the logical reason behind every mystery. But still there are many mysteries remain unsolved. In this video, we will know some of the popular and unsolved mysteries. So let's get started. Generally, 16 out of 1000 successful pregnancies in the world result in twins, and this average is even lower in India at just 9. However, this ratio is more in Kerala's village of twins called Kodini village. This village holds a record of 400 pairs of twins in a just population over 2000 families. Scientists have tried long to explain this rare phenomenon, but what is more mysterious is that, irrespective of religion or their original genetic heritage, of all families living in the village have more than the average pairs of twins over the last few generations, and this number is consistently growing. The Brihadishwara temple in Tanjavur is also known as world's architectural marvel, and it is one of the India's World Heritage Site. While there are many temples in Tamil Nadu, this temple is more interesting in its architectural mystery, which is still not found. The granite structure is popular for having one of the tallest gopurams in India. At the top of it, an 81-ton single stone architecture, which is called as Shikara, placed at the height of 66 meters. The stone was placed more than 1000 years ago, but the question is about how the heavy and huge architecture is placed at that much height on those days was still mysterious. India is land of saints and sadhus, but none of these gurus gained much popularity as Prahalad Jain. He is also known as India's fasting fakir. The sadhu claims that he lived without food and water for over 40 years. Jain believed that God has provided him water, which is dropped down through small holes in his mouth palate. However, in 2010, Jain was part of an extensive study by a team of 35 Indian experts from the Defense Institute of Physiology and Allied Science, which lasted over 15 days. While the study results were not revealed by government, which is mysterious. He is famously known as Mataji, was good in health despite of not eating or drinking water. In further research claimed that he did not urinate or excrete during the duration of test, while the mystery is still a open question. Normally, when an iron rod or other metal things are exposed to air and water, they get oxidized and they form rust on their surfaces. But there stands an iron pillar in Delhi with such material is mysterious. It is a 6-ton structure that is constructed with iron in 5th century, that is more than 1600 years ago, and it stood without rusting. The science of this pillar is mysterious, and the interesting thing is that such advanced technology for rust resistance were developed at that time. Temples in India are countries' existing mysteries. One of the famous temple of Andhra Pradesh is Lepakshi temple. In this temple, there are 500 years old architectural wonders are found. One of the mysterious architecture is hanging pillars of Lepakshi. In the center of the temple structure that consists of more than 60 pillars that do not touch ground. Those pillars are hanging just few centimeters above ground. The science behind it is still mysterious. And finally, it is considered as one of the unsolved mysteries of India.